you doing it?
Yeah.
Whoops, here's Sissy.
She'll get it.
Did you get it? 2 plus 1. Three, take away 2. About 4, take away 2. Fantastic, Sammy. We're going to try a big one. Let's count to 5. Well, pretty good. Growl in between, but that wasn't bad. 5, take away 2. Very good. Fantastic.
It's going to get hoarse.
2 plus 1.
Do you believe it?
That's
Okay,
awesome.
crumbs on the floor.
That's okay, they'll get them.
All right, one more.
Okay, let's do 4, get down. 4, take away 1. Okay, that's enough.
Sit up for it, now let him sit up.
Sit up. Now roll over.
Good boy!
Okay, that's enough. Yay, Sammy. Got it? All right, stop it. Now. Wait till I tell you it's time. You haven't even looked yet.
Well, you were showing him the back of the other one, you were confusing him. You know what I'm saying? He saw the 1 plus 1.
No, he said it right. He did it right. Do this one. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
That muffin must really be good. He likes that muffin.
Yeah, it's got to be the muffin. He's doing so good. Let's see. What do I do?
Carol isn't a working woman, she stays home and trains her
Yeah, he
dogs.
says I've got too much time on my hands.
That's good.
But that's a long one, I don't know.
Okay, what's this?
Have you ever seen a smarter dog? This dog is intellectual.
He's on the roll now.
He's on a roll now. He likes that blueberry muffin. Let's give him a big one. Let's give him this one. This might be. It's getting close to 5. Oops, I said it.
Yeah,
That was pretty good, yeah. We'll count that.
That was good. That was good.
Well, the last one was a little rumble. Should we give you a 5? Oh. Sorry, Sam. We'll try it.
We gotta buy her some flashcards.
Yeah, some real ones.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't read that.
You can't.
How did you figure this out?
Okay, this is a long one.
Okay.
This, I don't know if we'll do this one. What's this?
Very good. That was good.
That was,
A little growl in there.
He differentiated between 4 minus 2 and 4 plus 1.
He knows his plus and minus.
That is crazy.
you ever wonder
How
why
did you do that,
you ever
Carol?
wonder why he's so fat?
Yeah. Steve Weiss says that. Way too much time on my hands.
Well, at least she's doing something constructive.
How many X's?
Carol, I don't understand how you taught him this.
I can't tell my secrets.
She spent a lot of time.
No,
Yeah.
but how do you
We were
teach
stuck
a
in
dog to do
Arizona.
this stuff?
We were stuck in Arizona at 108 degrees temperature. She couldn't go anywhere. She was stuck in the motorhome.
So I just worked with him.
She had a lot of time on her hands.
Yeah, but you can't teach a dog to read.
How many X's?
Why can't you?
I just did.
But it has to be unique to that dog.
Sure. he's
There's
smart.
no way that that's normal.
Is that enough now? Are we
That's
done now?
Yeah, Mama, that's just.
That was